Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, you know what I'm saying? I gotta kind of be quick with this because it's about to rain. I don't know if y'all can hear it, you know what I'm saying? It's about to rain, look like it's about to storm and shit. But we back on this Impala project again, you know what I'm saying? And we got something new for the car today, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got a good headlights in this gun. With the LEDs. But we're gonna have to come back to this video because it is about to rain, and you know what I'm saying, it actually look like it's about to storm, man. But you know, the grind don't stop, so unfortunately the weather is stopping the grind right now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I say, the grind don't stop, but the weather is kind of fucking up the grind right now. Alright, man, we back, you know what I'm saying? The rain started to clear up for a little minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out because it's real easy, you know what I'm saying? We just got a clip right here. I had to take that out, screw right there, take that out. Now these come right out. I'm about to put the new ones in right now. So these the new ones right here. Bright on camera, you can't really see it. Yeah, now you can see it. That's how it's looking though, man. I'm gonna get some LEDs and put them in there, the white LED bulbs and put them in there, so it'll be all white out, you know what I'm saying? But that's how it's looking, man. We just got the new headlights installed. That's what it's looking like. It's the next day, you know what I'm saying, and the The headlights is looking good, you know what I'm saying, on the Impala. Looking real nice, you know what I'm saying. Like I said, I'm gonna get some LED bulbs to go on that side, cause like when I turn them on, I mean, y'all can see. I'm about to turn them on right now. You know what I'm saying? We got the yellow mixing in with the LED, with the white LED, and I just don't like the way that look. So I'm gonna get a LED bulb to put in there on the high beam. You know what I'm saying? On the so they can both be LED lights. But man, I like the way it looked with the lights off, like with that black vibe with the LED strip going down. That boy look nice, man. You know what I'm saying? It's really coming together, this project right here. Got the tail lights to match. 10 on that boy. Then we got the interior right up in this boy with the blue trim. Still gonna go back in there and touch that up. Yeah, y'all know how it go, man. But yeah, man, stay tuned into this Impala build, man. You know what I'm saying? This might be the thumbnail right here. Yeah. So stay tuned into this Impala build. We got a couple more things we getting done on here, you know what I'm saying? But it's coming along so far. We started with the brake calipers, then we did the rims, then we did the tail lights, then we did the seats, then we did the trim. Now we got the new headlights, and the wrap is on the way. That'll be here soon, so we're gonna do the wrap on it. And then the last and final thing will probably be like throw some rims on it and do some underglow or something like that. But yeah, man, still getting more ideas every day of what I want to do and new things that I want to do to it. But it's coming along, man. I like the way it's looking right now. And this car's still gonna be for sale when I'm done with it. So, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like the way it look, hit me up, man. You can get this boy for the low. I mean, not for the low, but for a good value price. You know what I'm saying? But just look at that thing right there with the blue drip on it, the black on black. Whew. This boy looking hard. Definitely coming down the road. This gonna look different than any other Impala. You know what I'm saying? Just off the lights. The front and the rear lights, how I did them, you know what I'm saying. But we still got a long ways to go on this thing, man. But just wanted to give y'all an update on it, show y'all how it's looking real nice, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. So go ahead, hit the like button, go ahead, hit the subscribe, man. Hope you're enjoying the project. Hope y'all think it look dope, you know what I'm saying, because I think it look dope, and we still got more shit on the way. So like I said, man, hit that subscribe button if you're new. If you ain't new, hit it. Grab your mama phone, your brother phone, your auntie phone. Subscribe on everybody you know. Tell everybody you know to subscribe, man. Because we going up, man. Just like that, man. We out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because like all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.